Hi, we are the 2027 Shell Ecomarathon Powertrain team. Our team has been tasked with researching and building a functional engine and transmission for the 2027 competition car that is fuel efficient and abides by the Ecomarathon rules and regulations. We decided to develop two powertrains in parallel. The first powertrain development includes making modifications to the continuously variable transmission of the moped engine used in the current Shell Ecomarathon competition car. To make the moped transmission more efficient, we designed a sprocket and chain system to replace the belt and pulley system used in the stock transmission. The sprocket and chain system required a chain tensioner, which was mounted to the transmission case of the moped. In these pictures, you can see the 3D printed prototypes of the sprockets as well as the prototype chain tensioner. The next pictures show the final design of the sprockets, which were machined out of titanium, which has high strength and is very lightweight. Here, the final sprocket and chain system is shown. We kept the stock centrifugal clutch to ensure that the engine can run at low RPM without moving the car. This video shows the sprocket and chain system spinning from the power of the starter motor on the moped engine. Moving on, the second powertrain that our team developed utilized the Honda GX35, a small displacement weed whacker motor. The engine came from factory without a clutch housing, so we purchased an aftermarket clutch housing to mount to the engine. The engine also came with a pull start mechanism located here. To abide by the competition rules, we had to replace this pull start with an electric starter. We also had to replace the engine's carburetor with an electronic fuel injection system. This required machining a custom intake manifold to adapt to the throttle body, between the throttle body and the motor. The assembled electronic fuel injection system is shown in these next pictures, including the wiring harness, fuel pump, and the throttle body. We also had to create a mount for the Hall effect sensor, which is essentially the heartbeat for the system's computer. The black cylinder on the right is the gearbox, which is used to reduce engine RPM to the proper speeds of the car. And the engine runs. This video shows the successful implementation of the electronic starter and the electronic fuel injection system. Thank you for watching.